Every student deserves an equal opportunity to succeed. You're probably watching this video from the comfort of your office or your home. You're able to do that because you've achieved some measure of success in your life. Someone, somewhere, inspired you to be your best. Maybe it was a teacher, a parent, or maybe it was because you just knew you had it in you. Maybe it was because you had the good fortune to be in a school that believed in students, believed that every student can succeed with the right support, the right tools, and the right community surrounding them. St. Malachy's Memorial High School is such a place, an inclusive, supportive environment where every student is encouraged to achieve to the best of their ability. The school motto is Esse quam videre, which means to be, rather than to seem to be. These words are the very essence of what it means to be a student at St. Malachy's. Today, we're asking you for your support. At St. Malachy's Memorial High School, we want every student to graduate with in-demand career skills that lead to jobs or post-secondary education. To achieve this goal, we need to provide our students with access to the latest in computer technology. Not all students have computers at home. Computer technology in high school is no longer a luxury. It's an important set of tools and skills, and we want every child to benefit from greater access and training with the latest computer technology that will prepare them for their future careers. Our goal is to raise $25,000, which will outfit our laboratory with the latest in hardware and software. We believe in our school, our students, and their future. We believe that this upgrade to our lab will provide more access to more students to the tools and technology they will need tomorrow. We believe that every student deserves an equal opportunity to succeed, regardless of their economic status, race, or where they live. Any amount is appreciated, but we do have special categories that will identify significant donations. These include Platinum, more than $500. Gold, $250 to $499. And Silver, $100 to $249. Also, recognition of your donation will be placed in the foyer of St. Malachy's for 3 years. Together, we can help every student who passes through the doors at St. Malachy's to succeed. Please make a donation today by sending a check to the address shown or by following the link you see on the screen. We have made it easy to donate. This is the world's largest fundraising site that can receive all types of credit cards, as well as PayPal. Note, tax receipts will be provided for all donations over $25.